don't entirely know that I'm gonna need to have the GoPro on, but it's a little bit busy and content will be content, you know. That's a cop. Hello there, cop. You got time? Thank you. Don't want to be behind you. Don't even really want to cross behind him either, or in front of him. Cops are sketchy. I ain't really doing too much. Just kind of out cruising. A weird color combo for a Mustang. Fucking bronze with a white. That's awkward. Just gonna say something witty, but it kind of zoned out for a second there. Nah, traffic was kind of whack on the way this far, so I figured I'd throw the GoPro on just in case, you know. In case something interesting happened or some shit. I mean, you never know in traffic. I'm gonna say that every light I get to is probably gonna be red. Just call it like a hunch. Oh, it'll turn green as I got here. Nice. I know this one's gonna be red when I get there, so I'm not gonna try and bum rush it anyway, so. Going towards good old shit smelling Muskegon, cause, you know. Sewer line burst, they're fixing it. Grandpa shifting for the win. Grandpa shift versus how I normally shift. I didn't even need to do that shoulder check. I'm not really changing lanes right this second. I just do that out of habit now. So I've had Saints of Los Angeles by Mountain Crew stuck in my head for the last, I want to say almost 3 days now. And it's a good song, but I don't know how to feel about it because it's stuck in my damn head. I was totally gonna get over, but like, yeah. I was about to, and then the car was there, and I'm just stuck in this lane now because I don't really feel like doing it. It's a highlighter broski in my fucking mirror, too. I mean, I don't care, he's on a bike, but highlighter, hello. He needs to watch my videos to learn what not to do on a motorcycle. Especially that Z900 video that like plagues me for like the end of days. God, I can't get that thing out of me. Like, I'm still getting comments, and I posted that in May. And they're a mixture of, and it was okay, damn, you're really bad at motorcycling, or you know, a couple of guys are like, oh no, that's actually really, really good job, I'm proud you uploaded it. It's like, thanks. I was gonna go down Lakes, and I don't want to seem like I'm following this guy though. That'd be awkward. Huh, it normally smells like burning clutch over here, and now it just smells like dead animal that's on fire. I don't want to know. I really don't want to know why it smells like that. Multitude of reasons it could be smelling like that. Not a single one of them good. $1,000 for your trade-in. They take $1,000 for you. I'm never trading this bike in. Holy shit, 20 grand on a Mitsubishi. Whoa! Totally gonna go in there one of these days and look at stuff. Because there has to be some cheaper stuff in there. That's not expensive as shit. Go in the car now, sir. Oh, cool, we're green. I got a disapproving look. There's a cop. Hi, cop. Hi, bud. You ain't fooling nobody. Just assume everybody follows fall, and we will live, right? Damn, look at that nice, big, clear lane right there. Hi, old guy. Never mind. The amount of people that do not wear helmets is mind-boggling. I know some of them. I will always have a lid on unless it is a special occasion, in which case there is something else going on the side that's making me not have a helmet on. Because I will not ride one, or not ride without one, just for the hell of it. Like, there's a legitimate reason for me not to have one on. I won't have one on. It's only happened once now. And that was helping a buddy get his bike home. Because he was a bit far gone on some booze. So I rode the bike home for him. Well, someone else gave him a ride home in his car. I was not expecting to ride a bike, so I didn't have a helmet. So, you know, it is what it is, though. I'll take helping a bro get home in one piece. Oh, that came out that building pretty good. That power crackle is something else. Nice, I like that too. It's a clean ass Ford on my left. Skirt, fuck it. Layton's kind of weird because, like, it goes so open out of nowhere and industrial, and then it cuts back in the city, you know? And then we're back on good old Giddy. The only good part about this is CC Cycle is on this road. Okay, that one felt oh my god, my voice! That shit felt very disrespectful. That was loud. I'm sorry, van owner. I did not mean to blow your eardrums out. Is that a squatted fucking Silverado? No! Why would you do that truck like that? Am I still able to go on the highway here? See cones. Normally cones mean something. Most of the time. In this case, does it mean this road is really shit? This is like really shit. Right lane must turn right now. I'm just gonna whip a fucking 360 no scope right here. I don't see nothing coming around. I go. Be a nice spot to get, even though there's railroad tracks right there. You just gotta ignore that. Yep, still got Motley Crew stuck in my head. Been Ashley Lake Motley Crew, so we're in good there. There's gonna be a lot of jump cuts in this video because I am just cruising and talking when I see something to talk about. Oh, wow, it's like I was just on that road not too long ago. I'm sure these little fucking condo things absolutely love that when they hear that go by. For sale though, whoa! I fuck with that, that's nice. I like that. I'm a simple man. Yeah, there you go, that's a good one. illicit activities can take place in that building. Have I ever told y'all how much I fucking love orange juice? Like, it's just such a good juice. Like, it's the best juice out there. Apple juice be damned. Orange juice is the shit. Oh, a limousine that has been hit. Cool. That's skeeking for you.